Welcome everyone. Today we have Ferrari's newest hybrid, Ferrari 296 GTB, which stands for the 2.9 liter V6, which is inside the car. But don't let the word hybrid mislead you from the way that it's a real Ferrari. This engine produces over 654 horsepower, and that combined with an electric motor comes to a total of 819 full horsepower. This car also has a top speed of 330 km per hour or 205 miles per hour. It does the 0 to 100 in just 3.3 seconds and goes from 0 to 200 in just 7.3 seconds, which is absolutely insane. So we are just going to start off with the color. This color is a Grigio Titanio Metallizzato. This just stands for grey in Italian. So this car also has the carbon fiber wheels, which cost you for 4 tires 24,200 euros. Go further with some details. This is the front lip, also in carbon fiber, which cost around 5,000 euros. Here we also have the high downforce spoiler, which produces another 100 kilograms of downforce. Now let's have a quick startup sound of this new Ferrari 296 GTB. Okay, so Ferrari has given me the keys to the brand new Ferrari 296 GTB, and we are just going to have a look inside the car. Let's open that real quick. You open the doors by just pushing it in, and then the full 819 horsepower gets unlocked. Casual Ferraris passing by. So this car also has the 8-speed F1 dual clutch transmission. So let me just have a quick look in this Ferrari. You also have the carbon fiber side skirts. So this key just goes right in here, so you have an easy place to put your keys. So when you first step in the car, the first you see is the high definition display with all the functions you need in a car. So as with the SF90, we have the reverse, manual, automatic and the L from launch control. We also have another passenger display, so they can follow along how fast you're going and how high the revs are. First look is pretty impressive. This is actually Ferrari's first V6, the first real V6, because they don't let the Ferrari Dino count, because that didn't have the emblem of Ferrari. And this one has, of course. The Ferrari Dino was designed to attract new customers, and this is just really the newest V6 hybrid for the Euro Commissions. So this car can drive up to 130 km per hour in electric mode, and that's for 25 kilometers. These seats are also very nice, finished in carbon fiber. So these are the sport seats. The steering wheel looks pretty nice. You also have a little place to put your smartphone to charge. It also wireless charger, so that's pretty nice, and you have some storage behind the seats. The visibility is also pretty nice. You have enough space to look. On the right side you can see just enough to see that air intake to cool this V6. So to open this car, you just press this button, the window closes a bit, and then you're free to go. Getting out of a supercar has never been easy, but that's part of the job, right? So if you guys don't know me, my name is Victor. I go by Victor the Cars, and I travel around the globe to film the most exclusive cars and let you enjoy them with me. The total cost of this car comes to a total of 366,366 euros. That's a lot, but I mean, you get a clean looking Ferrari, so I think it's definitely worth the price. This car is also available in the GTS version and the Fiorano package. This car also did one of the fastest laps around the Fiorano in Italy, and it took this car just 1 minute and 21 seconds to finish. So this Ferrari right here has set a new record for output per liter. This motor produces a full 221 horsepower per liter. That's absolutely insane. I'm just going to take a minute to appreciate this beautiful creation Ferrari has made again. And I think it is a good start for the future of hybrid cars. And I just want to do a massive thank you to Ferrari Maserati Antwerpen for making this car available for me to review. I really appreciate that. Super friendly stuff, so make sure if you buy a Ferrari, you come over here. I hope you learned a little bit about the Ferrari 296 GTB, and make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!